so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're at Dig This in Las Vegas, Nevada. Whoa! Ha-ha! And today, you and I are gonna learn about the word crush. Do you know the word crush? Yeah, it means to destroy, pulverize, and just smash things. Come on, let's go. Wait a second. Do you see what I see? Yeah, eggs. Whoa, 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. I love eggs, but today I'm not gonna eat this egg. Today, I'm going to crush this egg. Ready? Okay, let's find some more things to crush. Woo! Hey, look! Whoa! Look at what it is! It's a soda can! I think we should crush this, but be sure to never try this at home. And the only reason why I'm gonna do it is because I have shoes on. All right, here we go! Whoa! Look at it! It's so small! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! I love crushing things! That was awesome! Oh, hey, perfect! Look at what it is! This is a watermelon. And it looks like it's ready to be crushed! Oh! Are you ready? Oh! Whoa! Yeah! That's awesome! Yeah! Look! The watermelon is crushed! Alright, let's see what else we can find and crush! Whoa! Wait a second. No way! There's a car right there! Let's crush the car! Alright. Whoa, 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 whoa! Before I crush the car, I need to wear my safety gear. Alright. Whoa! I have a bright yellow safety vest. Perfect. Alright. And then I got my hard hat and safety glasses. Alright. Oh, wait a second. This needs to be perfect. Okay, here we go. Oh! Alright. Let's give it a whirl. Whoa! Whoa! I'm trying to crush it, but it's not really working. Let's try the door. Oh, interesting. I'm not getting very far. All right, one last one. All right, anywho, I have an idea. We need a bigger tool for this job. But before that, let's write crush on it. Perfect. All right, we have some spray paint. We have red, green, blue, pink, and black. So first, let's take some white paint. All right, pour some in right there. And let's give it a nice white base coat. All right. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, there we go. Perfect. A little bit more white right there. All right. take our colorful spray paint and let's paint the word crush on it. All right, let's start with the color green. Perfect. All right, what other colors do we have? Let's do red. Yeah! C-R. Now let's do black. Oh, yeah! Just 2 more letters. C-R-U. Let's use the color pink now. All right, last letter. C-R-U-S. The color blue for the letter H. Wrote the word crush on it. All right. C-R-U-S-H. Woo-hoo-hoo! Now we're ready to crush this. So let's get a big machine for this. Ha-ha! And the perfect machine is a toy excavator. Whoa! What better machine to destroy and crush this car than an excavator? But wait a second, this toy can't do it. That's why I have a real excavator! All right, let's crush this car. Okay, first things first, let's keep this toy excavator right back there. Let's put on our headset. All right. Perfect. All right, and now let's put on our hard hat. Okay, so let's take our safety belt. Yeah, just like the seat belt in your car. Now that we're all strapped in, we're ready to crush. Now, let's crush it some more! Yeah!
I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. I've got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground, wonder what I'll find. I'm an earth investigator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I don't have feet?
No feet? How do you get around?
I roll on tracks to get to where I need to be. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator.
Hey, it's time to act like an excavator. I'll teach you. All you gotta do is bring up your arm, like it's the arm in the boom in the bucket, and start to scoop. That's fun!
I've got a place where workers sit, it's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and grab. I'm a hole regulator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I work all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time for sleep, no time for play. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Excavator.
Whoa! That was so crazy crushing that car! Let's go check it out. Come on. Whoa! Look the letters. C-R-U-S-H. Crush! Whoa, look at it. It's so crushed. Whoa, here's the steering wheel. Whoa, and the seats and the windshield. Wow, that was crazy. Well, thank you so much for learning about the word crush with me. And hey, special thanks to Dig This in Las Vegas, Nevada. Well, see you later, kids. Bye-bye. Hey! Whoa, look at what it is. It's a bulldozer. Are you ready to learn about bulldozers with me? Yeah, let's go. Now it's time to operate the bulldozer. Woo! Come on! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Not so fast. Before we operate the bulldozer, we need our safety equipment. Whoa! Look, I have my hard hat on. Yeah, and my safety vest. Ooh, orange and yellow. Now we're ready. Come on. Wow, just like a vacuum from the 1600s. And it's in our way. So I think we should bulldoze the vacuum. Are you ready to learn about the parts of the bulldozer with me? Yeah, let's go! Let's go to the front. Whoa, wow, this right here is the blade. And the blade is used to push anything and everything out of its way. Whoa! Do you see up there? Those are the sweeps. And when the blade pushes large trees out of its way, if the tree falls down, it won't hit the driver in the cab. The cab! Whoa! Up there is the cab. Yeah, that's where the driver and the operator sits. That's so cool. Whoa, and look at these. Wow, these are the tracks. Whoa, the tracks are really useful for going over mud, dirt, rocks, debris, anything, and it won't even get stuck. Oh, and look at this compartment. Whoa, this compartment, yeah, is full of the hydraulics. It powers the blade, the tracks, and the scratchy-mabobs. Oh, come here! I love the scratchy-mabobs. Yeah, these, also known as the Ripper, rips up anything and everything on the ground, so it makes it nice and soft for the bulldozer. And another compartment. Whoa. This compartment is the electrical compartment, and it has 2 batteries because this machine is so big. Oh, and I almost forgot, the engine. Come over here. Wow, that engine is so massive. And this machine is so cool. I was just doing the dozer dance. Will you do the dozer dance with me? Yeah, I'll teach you. Okay, first, you raise up your hands and your arms and act like you have a bulldozer blade, like this. Okay? And then you move your feet like the bulldozer tracks. So it looks like this. Good job! Okay, I have a really fun game. We'll do the dozer dance when we hear the music, but when you don't hear music and it stops, you need to freeze. Yeah, okay? Are you ready? Okay.
Listen.
Hold your arms out, march in place. Left foot, right foot, keep the pace. Move your arms up and down. Crouch and crouch down to the ground. Turn your hands Stand up tall, on 2 feet, from side to side, bounce to the beat. Raise your left knee, raise your right, raise your arms and raise them high.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer. Dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
It's a bulldozer dance.
Whoa! We are inside the bulldozer. Before we operate the bulldozer, we need, our seatbelt on. Okay, let's buckle that in. Okay, there we go. Oh, and look at this. Wow, this is the instrument cluster. See? The lights, the windshield wipers, and the key. And once you turn it on, then from there, the bulldozer has power! And right here, this joystick, whoa! When you push forward, it goes forward. Backward, you reverse, left, and go right! Wow! And this joystick over here, whoa! This operates the blade. So, left, right, down, and up! Ooh. And this operates the ripper. Wow. Whoa. What I'm doing here is bulldozing down some old dead trees. So then it'll make some room so we can plant some new ones.
Yeah! Did you see that? Yeah! I love bulldozers!
Bulldozers are such amazing pieces of machinery. Now it's time for the bulldozer song.
Bulldozer, clearing the land.
Whoa,
Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand.
whoa,
Bulldozer, constructing the roads.
whoa.
Move over, it's about to roll. It's a yellow tracked machine,
Whoa,
found on mines, farms, and factories.
whoa,
It can push most anything. Bulldozers stirring up debris. Bulldozers help the farmers work by breaking up rocks and digging in the dirt. With the blade on the front and a claw on the back, it can help you build a home just like that. Whoa, it's on a roll. Bulldozer. And they can move through some rough terrain. They can move all kinds of things. Bulldozer, clearing the land.
whoa,
Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand.
whoa,
Bulldozer, constructing the roads.
whoa.
Move over, it's about to roll. Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Roll on, bulldozer.
Better move over, here comes the
It's a yellow
bulldozer.
machine. Roll on, bulldozer.
Better move over, here comes the
It's a yellow
bulldozer.
machine.
Woohoo! That was so much fun learning about bulldozers with you. Well, you gotta keep on keeping on, life's a garden. Dig it. You just gotta make it work for you. So, anywho, if you wanna watch more of my videos, you know what to do, right? Yeah, just search for my name. Blippi. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you later. Whoa! Look, this is a skid steer. And back here, that is a real skid steer. Whoa, it's really big. Whoa, big, small, big, small. Wow! Whoa! Whoa! Ooh, ring, ring, ring! This right here? Wow, this is a backhoe. Front bucket and back bucket. Ring, ring, ring. Keep the leaf. Okay, leaf, come over here. Oh, let's get some more leaves. Whoa! Ring, 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 ring. Whoa! Whoa! This, yeah, is a cement mixer. Whoa! 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 Cement mixer on top of the tire. Whoa! Oh, look! This is a dump truck. Oh, let's put some stuff in the back of the dump truck. Whoa! And look at these three toys. This is a front loader. This is an excavator. And this is the front loader. I thought this was the front loader. This is a bulldozer. But this is the front loader. Check these out. Come over here. Whoa. Look at how big this is. Wow. Jeez, this is huge. And look, this is so small. Small excavator, big excavator. Okay, come over here. Okay, stay there, excavator. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Look. It's a front loader. It's so big. And this is the front loader toy. But that, come here. Wow, it's so big. That is a real front loader. And what's this? Whoa. This is a bulldozer. And it's really big. And this is a bulldozer toy. Thanks so much for learning about construction vehicles with me.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!